question.
Yeah.
So would y'all date me based off looks?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, y'all so sweet. Y'all just made my day. Made my night.
No matter if you're doing good, they gon' hate. And even if you're doing bad, they gon' hate. No matter if you up or down, they gon' hate. So baby, when you come around, it's too late.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Officially Damaris, and I am back with another video. Y'all, it is so hard to look at the camera and not look at the monitor. Like, I'm always looking at the monitor, trying to see how I look, trying to see if I look good. There's this trend going around YouTube right now where everybody's downloading this app called Monkey, and you can talk to random people. Basically, you just get on the app. It sends you a video chat with a person. I think it gives you like 15 seconds. So you talk to the person, and if you guys start liking each other or whatever, you be like, add time. So you can add time or whatever. Y'all probably already know what this is, so there's no point in me explaining it. But I'm explaining it for the old heads out there that don't know what it is. Today's video, I'm going to be on the Monkey app, and I'm going to be asking random people, like, would you date me? I'm just be like, would you date me? You know, I gotta hit them angles though for them. I'm going to be so embarrassed, y'all, if they be like, no. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all know how embarrassed I get quickly. I might have to start snapping on them. Like, don't be acting crazy. Like, they can do it in a nice way. Like, no, you're not my type. Don't be snapping though, because I will snap back. If you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more lit content. I'm dropping stuff every week, man. Alright, let me scoot over so I can put the Monkey app like right there. Alright, let's do the first person, y'all. I'm so scared. My heart beating. Better do it. Oh my gosh,
Oh, you're cute or whatever.
oh, thank you. I got a question. Would you date me?
Hell yeah.
Oh, you adding time? Oh, he added time. I ain't add no time, y'all. This is my first time doing it. Alright, meet Jake. He's so... Hi. I got a question.
Yeah.
Would you date me?
You in New Jersey, so that'd be hard.
He said I live in New Jersey, so that'll be hard. Or if you don't get your... Oh, at least he was nice about it. At least he wasn't like, you're black. Like, Hey.
What's going on?
Nah, and I got a question.
What's up? First time.
Would you date me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Where you from?
New Jersey. Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh yeah, I did see that on there. I don't trust Chicago people because they be crazy.
What?
Huh?
You be what?
Y'all be crazy.
Like what I just said.
I don't know, I be hearing all that drill music. Y'all be acting up. Walk around with that gat on y'all at all times, huh?
Which part of New Jersey you from?
South Jersey.
I ain't never heard of.
Which-
South Carolina.
I'm making a video. A YouTube video.
About what?
About the Monkey app. Alright. Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm good, just chilling, just got home from work.
I got a question.
What's up?
Would you date me?
Would I date you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you cute.
Thank you.
I'm from Cali. I was born in Cali. I'm Mexican. I'm not white.
You look Mexican.
What are you mixed? Black? Or what?
I'm black.
Yeah. Cute. You got a nice skin color.
Thank you. We got similar skin color, I think. Yo, he said you cute. You got a nice skin color. Yo, that's a good compliment. Yo, this is so awkward. I never did nothing like this before. Shh. Yo, I'm getting all these notifications. This is gonna be all in my video. Hi. Damaris, I got a question for you. Would you date me? Would you date me?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
Oh.
How old you?
I'm 21. How old do I look? That's about the same thing. Yeah, in August I turned 21.
August.
Yep.
You a Virgo?
Huh?
Virgo. You a Virgo?
A Leo. August 10th.
Leo. Where you from?
New Jersey.
Jersey. Jersey Shore. Y'all bad at shit?
Huh?
Y'all bad at Jersey Shore shit that was on TV?
Nah. We country. The part I'm in, we country.
Yeah. When you come to Chicago.
My bad, y'all. My camera died. But I'm still screen recording and all that, so I'm about to call somebody. Call somebody else. Yo, this is so weird. This is so awkward. I'm not good at stuff like this. What the heck? Alright. This is a chubby dude. How you doing? Why you looking like that? Good. I got a question. At time. Alright. So, would you date me? I said, would you date me? Yeah, turn that music down.
What you say?
I said, would you date me?
Would I date you? Yeah.
Aw, thank you. You sweet. And you a little chubby. I never had no chubby.
You said what?
I said, I never had nobody chubby. They probably treat you better.
Where you from?
New Jersey, where you from?
I'm from Chester.
Chester what?
Chester, PA.
Oh, PA. Okay.
What's that in your background?
What? Which one?
The picture right there behind you.
Right here? There's pictures of me. I'll be letting the time run out because it'd be awkward. Like after you ask them the question, I ain't about to sit here all day. It's awkward. Oh crap! I just missed somebody. Let me stop talking and look at the screen. All right. So far, I think I got all yeses. I need some no's. How you doing? You look like a pretty boy. Oh, thank you. I got a question. Huh? Would you date me? You would? I'll date you too. Especially with that little curl you got in your head. I like that. Look, okay. That boy got the curls on deck. Alright, thank you. I'm gonna add you, okay? He said, your smile is beautiful. Hey, hold up. The man still got it. Y'all don't be acting like I don't got it because I still got it. What's good? What's up? What's good? Someone from Maryland. This is people. How you doing? Thank you. Now y'all gassing it, but I'm from New Jersey. Dang, I forgot to ask him. Look at that. I forgot to ask him the question. They didn't even say nudes. I didn't even say nudes. You want nudes? What's up? They ain't out here everything twice. Oh, y'all in the same room? I got a question. So would y'all date me based off looks?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, y'all so sweet. Y'all just made my day. Made my night. What? You gotta be stopped. What's your name? Tay, you gotta be stopped. What'd you say? I don't know. What's the other one name? Shane. Stain. Oh, okay. Y'all look like y'all dance. Y'all be dancing?
Where your friends at?
I don't got no friends.
Where you from then?
New Jersey.
Yeah.
Where y'all from? Somewhere down south?
Chirac.
Oh no, I ain't messing with no Chirac people. Mm-mm. Yo, I've been coming at Chicago. Let me get. He from Texas. He probably got an accent. Hi. How you doing? You don't sound like you're doing alright. I said you don't sound like you're doing alright. You sound down or upset. Oh, okay, that's why. I got a question. Would you date me based off looks? Oh, thank you. So you had to take a couple minutes to look at me because you know when you be on that leaf, I think this like your eyes be blurry. How it be then? The room be spinning?
No. You just have a slower perception.
Okay. So like your reaction time is slower or something?
Yeah, it slows down.
Okay, I get it. You watching TV or you playing a game?
I don't know what. I'm at my best friend's house. I don't know what the fuck she got to do.
Hello. We was dead about to have a whole conversation. Yo, we gotta be stopped. What's up, Desmond? He from Louisiana. I need this accent. How you doing?
I swear you fine. How you doing?
Good. You just. What'd you say? Oh, you acting up. New Jersey.
That's my brother.
Nothing. Let me hear y'all accent since y'all from Louisiana. It don't sound like y'all got no accent, so put one on. Yeah. There you go. Keep it like that. Y'all sound like y'all from up north. Oh, that's why? I got a question for you. Would you date me based off looks? No?
I'm gonna keep it real. It's the personality. I don't even look at somebody.
You know what? You the realest one. You the realest one.
What's up? Shut the fuck up.
What'd he say? Who the older brother? You or him? He the older one? You look like the older one though. Not in a bad way.
What you said?
I said you look like the older one. The dark skin one.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
That's a good thing. I'm trying to keep that young because I don't want to feel old.
You look like a young boy back there. I'ma just add you.
Alright, add my snap.
Alright.
I'm about to add you. I'm about to add you right now.
How you doing? Say that again.
I said, what's up, little mama?
Oh, you got a little accent.
Yo. Where you from? Add time.
Oh, too late. I try to add time. How you doing?
Yo, what's up? Good, and you?
I'm doing good. How you say your name?
Trudell?
Tradell. Where you from?
Yeah. Wisconsin.
Oh, that's a weird place.
Wisconsin?
Yeah, it's a weird place.
US?
I know where it's at, but I'm just saying, like, you're a whole black person living in Wisconsin.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot of y'all there?
Type shit.
I'm
It is, but it ain't. It's a lot of one of these out here. Wanna be this, wanna be that.
I'm from New Jersey.
New Jersey? Yeah, this
Yeah.
shit's better than here. Tell you that much.
It's like the country right there.
Where y'all at?
No, where you at?
No, big city.
Oh, it's a big city.
Right next to Illinois.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we ain't nowhere near the country.
So I'm more country than you. I got a question for you.
Slight chance.
Would you date me
But I date you.
based off
You?
looks?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm just let that.
You know, why wouldn't I?
Why wouldn't I let the time run out? It's two people. Let me see what's up with this.
It's your chat. You know what I'm talking about.
How you doing?
How you doing? What's up, y'all? Good.
I'm doing good.
What you got the doubles? I see.
Y'all seen the doubles? I did it on purpose. I did it on purpose so y'all can see them.
We see him, man. Yeah. I got a gym when that come up sometimes.
All you gotta do is put your cheeks in your teeth and you can have dimples. there you go. You see that dimple? Alright, I got a question for y'all. Would y'all date me based off looks?
Based off looks? Well, what, you
Yeah.
a man or something?
No.
I got time, man.
I wish I was. Psych. Yo, y'all gotta stop.
Based off looks, I mean, what the body look like? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I ain't showing all that, but it's alright. I got. Hold on, let me get a picture so y'all can see.
You ain't showing no a picture in it. Alright, I see. I got probably do something with that.
He told me I can probably do something with that. I'm dead. Alright, y'all, that's all I'm doing today. I didn't think I was gonna have that much fun with this video. Like, it was literally fun and funny. Like, I didn't know people was gonna be that funny. I think I was the main, like, class clown on there. Making people giggle, chuckle, laugh. Let me know what you guys thought about this video down in the comments. And I might do another one. Or I might do a rate me or something else. Something. Give me some ideas. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram at Officiallydamaris. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked the video, let me know. If you didn't, I would never do another monkey app video again. But, like, it was pretty cool. So, I guess, I don't know. I don't know how the people gonna react to it. I don't know how the naturalistas gonna react to it, but just let me know what you guys feel or how you guys feel about it. So thank you guys for watching.
Pull up on me in a drop, and I'm hopping off the top, scuffing up my new J's. Man, I just took on my box.